It's been 3 weeks since the search of Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate, and today a critical court hearing is set for a judge to decide whether or not to appoint a special master in the case. This hearing comes 24 hours after the DOJ filed its response to the request with images of the documents seized from Trump's home. The former president's legal team responded to the filing by downplaying the discovery of the classified documents, saying there was, quote, no cause for alarm, end quote. For more on this, Tom Dempsey joins us live from outside the Department of Justice building in D.C. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Mitch. Yeah, this morning, just hours before this court hearing, the legal team for former President Donald Trump continues to say that a special master remains needed to go through all those documents that were seized during the raid at Mar-a-Lago 2.5 weeks ago. And last night, the legal team actually put in a filing saying that yes, it did admit that the Mar-a-Lago housed classified documents, but this morning they're saying no one should be worried. Ahead of a closely watched court hearing on Thursday dealing with the raid at Mar-a-Lago 2.5 weeks ago, in a new court filing, the legal team for former President Donald Trump highlights how agents found classified documents inside before downplaying the matter, saying, quote, this discovery was to be fully anticipated given the very nature of presidential records. Simply put, the notion that presidential records would contain sensitive information should have never been cause for alarm. Earlier this week, the Department of Justice sent in a filing of its own and for the first time showed this picture of the classified records seized by FBI agents, some marked top secret. In the filing, the department detailed an alleged effort to deliberately conceal evidence and obstruct an investigation. The allegations led to the former president firing back on his social media platform Truth Social on Wednesday, where he wrote, terrible the way the FBI during the raid at Mar-a-Lago threw documents haphazardly all over the floor. Thought they wanted them kept secret? Lucky I declassified. The latest filing by the Trump team made no mention of the documents being declassified, though. The Department of Justice even addressed the matter, writing in its own filing, quote, these are precisely the types of documents that likely constitute presidential records, and Trump has no right to have them returned. Now, if appointed, this special master would be in charge of kind of sifting through all the evidence of those raids at Mar-a-Lago and trying to find any documents that could be protected under attorney-client privilege. But, again, the Department of Justice has come out saying it's completed its review of all the evidence and a special master is not needed. We'll get an answer to that appointment later today. The court hearing is at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, noon Central, Mitch.
And we know that's taking place in St. Lucie County down in Florida. What do we know about the judge that's overseeing that hearing today?
Interesting to note, the judge appointed by former President Donald Trump. And, over the weekend, the judge actually came out saying, this is before the filing by the Department of Justice, before the follow-up filing from the legal team of President Donald Trump. But over the weekend, this judge came out saying she had, quote, preliminary intent to grant the request for the special master. Again, we will get an answer to that question later today, though, formally in court. Mitch?
Now, we spoke to a prosecutor in Palm Beach County who said that for the judge to issue a preliminary order before there was even a hearing was very odd. We'll see if Judge Aileen Cannon sticks to her guns there. Tom Dempsey, thank you for that report. Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation in your cable lineup. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-based, unbiased coverage.